Last time I made pizza from cola. But today we're making pizza from Sprite. Yeah, let's go, just like this. Last time we make basic Neapolitan pizza recipe with this bowl with the Sprite. Some salt. Okay, 180 of flour. Just tiny little bit of olive oil. And active dry yeast. Let's just mix it up. So let's proof it for 1 hour. So this is our dough 1 hour later. Okay, dough from Sprite. Look, it's beautiful. You see it's really beautiful, it's really nice. So let's make dough ball from it, just like this, you know, some Napoli moves. Sprite pizza dough, classic Napoli style. So little bit of oil into the container and let it brew for 1 more hour. Okay, this is Sprite pizza ball. Let's check out. Okay, it's brewed. You see, it's soft, it's nice. Okay, let's make it to pizza crust. Yeah, some Napoli moves. Yeah, it's Napoli pizza, classic pizza from Sprite. Let's assemble it. Now a little bit of sauce, tomato sauce. Some cheese on it. Okay, goodbye my friends, see you in 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes guys. Let's check out. Gorgeous. Oh, triple salami Sprite pizza crust. Look, soft and crunchy at the same time. Triple salami. Oh, beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful pizza. Look at texture from Sprite. Who knows? Okay, let's try it. Oh, you know. I wanted to find some Sprite notes in it, but there's like pretty normal pizza. It's really good one. So, I don't feel Sprite. So you can make pizza from Sprite like this. It's totally fine. But better go watch my other recipes on my channel. See you guys.